Disability is an inability conveys an important message that challenges the long-standing believing that physical or mental impairments determine a person's worth or potential. Many people mistakenly evaluate others based on their disability instead of recognizing their talents, determination, intelligence, and inner strength. Although a disability may make certain activities more difficult, it does not define our individuals' identity or prevent them from achieving success. Across history, countless individuals living with disabilities have accomplished remarkable achievements in fields such as science, education, athletics, business, leadership, literature, and the arts. Their accomplishments prove that success depends not on physical perfection but on resilience, dedication, creativity, and access to equal opportunities. This topic encourages society to replace discrimination with acceptance, sympathy with dignity, and exclusion with inclusion. It reminds us that every person possesses unique abilities, deserves equal respect, and should have the same opportunities to learn, work, participate, and make a meaningful contribution to their communities. Understanding disability. Disability refers to a physical, sensory, intellectual, developmental, or mental condition that may affect how a person performs certain activity or interacts with the environment. Disabilities vary greatly. Some people are born with disabilities, with others acquired them later in life because of illness, accidents, or aging. Disability should never be viewed as weakness. Instead, it's simply one aspect of a person's life. Many of the difficulties faced by people with disabilities arise not from the disability itself but from barriers in society, such as inaccessible buildings, discrimination, like or education, or negative attitude. When society removes these barriers, people with disabilities can participate fully or demonstrate their talents just like everyone else. So, let we back again on this topic. Disability is not inability. The phrase means that you have a disability does not mean or person incapable of achieving success or make valuable contribution. Every person possesses unique abilities, talents, or strengths. Someone who cannot work may become an excellent engineer. Someone who cannot hear may become a successful artist. Someone who cannot see may become an outstanding teacher, musician, lawyer, and entrepreneur. Instead of focusing on limitations, we should recognize the possibilities. Human potential cannot be measured solely by physical ability. The importance of equal opportunities. Equal opportunity is one of the greatest factors that determine success. People with disabilities deserve access to quality education, healthcare, employment, transportation, technology, and public services. When school provides inclusive education, students with disabilities gain knowledge and confidence. When employers hire based on ability rather than stereotype, businesses benefit from deserved talents and perspective. Equality does not mean treating everyone exactly the same. Sometimes it means providing reasonable support so that everyone has a fair chance to succeed. Education empowers everyone. Education is one of the most effective ways to empower people with disabilities. Inclusive classroom teach children that diversity is normal and valuable. Teachers can adapt teaching methods to meet different learning needs. Modern technology, including screen readers, hearing devices, bear material, and speech recognition software enable many students with disabilities to learn successfully. When education is accessible, students gain confidence, develop skills, and prepare for meaningful careers. Employment and independence. Employment gives people dignity, financial independence, and a sense of purpose. Unfortunately, many qualified individuals with disabilities face discrimination during recruitment. Employers should evaluate applicants based on their skills, qualifications, experience, and commitment rather than assumptions about disability. Many employers with disability demonstrate exceptions. Determination, creativity, problem-solving skills, and resilience because they have learned to overcome challenges throughout their lives. Inclusive workplace also inspire innovation and strengthen organizational culture. Technology creates new possibilities. Technology has transformed the lives of millions of people with disabilities. Wheelchairs with advanced mobility features improve independence. Artificial limbs restore movement. Screen reading software enables blind people to use computers. Hearing aids and cochlear implants improve communication for many individuals with hearing loss. Voice recognition software assists people who cannot type. As technology continues to develop, even more opportunities become available, allowing people with disability to participate fully in education, employment, and community life. Overcoming social barriers. Often the greatest challenges of the disability itself but society's attitudes. Some people assume that individuals with disability are incapable, depends on less intelligence. This stereotype prevents talented people from receiving the opportunities. Challenging attitudes begin with education, awareness, and everyday interactions when people work, study, and socialize. Together, they recognize one another's abilities rather than focusing on differences. Respect, patience, and inclusion create strong communities for everyone. The role of governments. Governments have a responsibility to protect the rights of people with disabilities. These include enforcing anti-discrimination laws, ensuring accessible public building and transportation, supporting inclusive education, promoting accessibility healthcare, and encouraging equal employment opportunities. Public policies should focus on removing barriers rather than limiting potential. Reason for everyone. The message disability is not inability teaches reason that apply to all people. It reminds us never to underestimate ourselves or others. It encourages perseverance during difficult time and teaches respect for human dignity. Every person has strengths and weaknesses. Success comes from developing strength, running conscious, and refusing to surround us to obstacles. When we judge people by their abilities, character, and determination instead of their disabilities, society becomes more just, compassionate, and productive. Disability is not inability because every human being possesses unique talents and the capacity to contribute to society. Physical or mental limitations do not determine intelligence, character, and potential, while true matter is access to opportunities, education, support, determination, and inclusion. A society that values every individual becomes stronger, more innovative, and more compassionate. We should replace discrimination with respect, barriers with accessibility, and peace with empowerment. By recognizing the ability of people with disability, we build communities with everyone has the opportunity to learn, to work, dream, and succeed. The message is simple yet powerful. Disability may change how a person accomplishes a task, but it should never define what that the person is capable of becoming.